All right. We just did something or other, carboxylic acids, and now we're looking at esters. They're still based on the carboxylic group. And what we've got here is we have something called 1-butyl pentanoate. But we didn't have enough of the atoms, so that's not what we made. So we made a different ester. Now the ester has a carboxyl group in the middle, and it comes from an alcohol on the far side, and it also came from our carboxylic acid over on your left. And what happens is if we take our alcohol and we mix it with our carboxylic acid, we add a little bit of acid and warm it up, we can make beautiful esters. They can smell like things like bananas, peppermint, and puke. So, how do we name these things? Well, in this case, we have 6 carbons in that chain, and that would have been our alcohol, and it would have been 1-hexanol. Now it's treated as a branch. The alcohol is always treated as a branch, so it's called 1-hexyl. Over on this side, we have our carboxylic acid, and that was ethanoic acid, and so now it becomes ethanoate. So we get rid of the irregular ending that we had, oic acid, and we make it O8. So overall, this beast is called 1-hexyl ethanoate. If that's confusing, don't be surprised, but once we do some diagrams of it, it may even make sense. What we're doing here is we're actually ripping out water. So it's called a dehydration synthesis as we stitch this thing together. This should be your most confusing compound to name.